Learn English, introducing yourself. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will focus on a crucial aspect of communication, introducing yourself. Introductions are important in both formal and informal settings, and knowing how to do it correctly will help you make a positive impression. So, let's dive in and learn how to introduce ourselves effectively. Introductions are the first step in establishing a connection with someone. They allow you to present yourself, share basic information, and initiate a conversation. Whether you're meeting new people, attending a job interview, or participating in a formal event, knowing how to introduce yourself appropriately is essential. Key points. Introductions help establish connections. They provide an opportunity to share basic information. Important in various contexts, social, professional, and formal settings. Formal introductions typically occur in professional or official settings, such as business meetings, conferences, or academic environments. When making a formal introduction, it's crucial to use polite language and observe certain cultural norms. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Begin with a polite greeting, such as, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending on the time of day. 2. State your full name clearly. For example, my name is John Smith. 3. If applicable, provide your job title or the reason for the introduction. For instance, I am a software engineer, or I'm here to represent company XYZ. 4. Express pleasure or gratitude for the opportunity to meet. For example, it's a pleasure to meet you, or thank you for having me. Key points. Start with a polite greeting. State your full name clearly. Mention your job title or the reason for the introduction. Express pleasure or gratitude for the opportunity. Informal introductions take place in casual settings, among friends, acquaintances, or during social events. While the tone is less formal, it's still essential to be respectful and friendly. Here's how to introduce yourself informally. 1. Begin with a friendly greeting, such as, hi, hello, or hey. 2. State your first name. For example, I'm Sarah. 3. Optionally, you can share additional information about yourself, such as your occupation, hobbies, or interests. This helps initiate further conversation. 4. Show interest in the other person by asking a question or making a comment related to the situation or event you're attending. For instance, how do you know the host? Or, what brings you here today? Key points. Start with a friendly greeting. State your first name. Optionally, share additional information about yourself. Show interest in the other person with a relevant question or comment. Congratulations! You've learned the art of introducing yourself in both formal and informal settings. Remember, introductions are the gateway to building connections and opening doors for meaningful conversations. Practice these techniques in various situations, and soon you'll feel confident in any social or professional setting. We hope this video has been helpful in improving your English language skills. Stay tuned for more exciting topics in our English language learning series. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!